জয় বৃষভানু নন্দিনী রাধে রাধে, বৃষভানু নন্দিনী রাধে রাধে।
Joy Jai Shri Radhe everyone. This is the 31st verse of Shri Shri Prem Bhakti Chandrika by Srila Narottam Das Thakur Mahasaya. Translation based on the commentaries by Srila Vishwanath Chakraborty Pado and Sri Ananta Das Babaji Maharaj. পৃথকো আভাস যোগ দুঃখময় বিষয় ভোগ ব্রজবাস গোবিন্দ সেবন কৃষ্ণ কথা কৃষ্ণ নাম সত্য সত্য রসধাম ব্রজজনের সঙ্গ অনুক্ষণ। Translation: To live anywhere else but in Brojo is just a form of miserable sense gratification. But residence, also mental residence, in Brojo and service to Govinda, speaking of Krishna and chanting his holy name in the constant company of the people of Brojo is truly the abode of transcendental flavors. Joy Joy Shri Radhe.